I keep getting asked about the layout of Ballinabricky, and I store this on a bookshelf, but when I set up the street scenes for the comic strip, I have to make sure that I put all the buildings back in the same order. So right now, this is the extent of the town. It has one main street, which I will take you down. So the one main street in town goes in past the courthouse and the workshop, past the pub, the train station, all of our shops, the town hall, and it culminates at the end of the street with St. Bridget's Chapel. And if we were to turn left through the lot next to the post office, we would go through the graveyard and then beyond it to the Mass Rock. The main street itself turns right and continues on to Cashel over the railroad tracks. I don't have it hooked up at the moment, but the train station does have the train controls built into the base of it. So when I set up the train to run around my Christmas tree, it will function through the train station. The houses sort of exist off in the countryside, and there's our well, under which we know Finbar Greenjacket has his great hall. So of course these buildings all individually have their own videos, and as the town expands, my intention is to just keep expanding the main street, which will make for continually more interesting outdoor shots. I don't know that the workshop is going to stay there. I have plans to add a greengrocer and perhaps a mechanic and petrol station, and they will go in this space. The workshop here hasn't actually been in any of the shots for the comic strip, so if I move it, it won't create any inconsistency or incongruity there. So Ballinabricky does have a dirt road as opposed to paved roads, but it does have sidewalks and curbs and all that good stuff. So that is the town of Ballinabricky.